In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status in Skype. Whether you're looking to show you're available, busy, or away, setting your status in Skype can communicate to your contacts your availability at a glance. This can be especially useful if you're using Skype for work, or if you're trying to manage your online time more effectively. Let's begin by navigating to the Skype website. Once there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on this. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your usual login details to access your Skype account. This step is crucial as it enables you to make any changes to your account, including setting your status. Now that you're signed in, look towards your profile photo. You should see an option that says Set a Status. Clicking on this will bring up a range of suggested statuses for you to choose from. Each status has its own symbol and color to make it easily identifiable to those looking to get in touch with you. Selecting the right status helps manage others' expectations on whether you're immediately available to respond to messages or calls. After you've clicked on your chosen status, there's only one step left. Click on Done. This finalizes your selection and updates your status across Skype. It's a quick and simple action, but it makes a significant difference in how you communicate your availability to your contacts. Remember, you can change your status at any time by following these steps again. It's a good practice to keep your Skype status updated to reflect your current availability accurately. This not only helps in managing your communications more effectively, but also respects the time and expectations of your contacts. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting your status in Skype. Whether you're deep into work, available for a chat, or stepping away for a while, your status is the first signal to your contacts about what to expect. Keep it updated, and it will make your Skype experience more smooth and productive.